Hey, how's it going, everyone? Dennis here from PrimeTraders.com. The trading week ends in roughly 54 minutes and 52 seconds. I am going to go over this video we released here for cryptos. I'm spelling mistake with cryptos that we're buying big time. So we generally were trading with Fondex and CTrader to execute our crypto trades, but I wanted to test out Binance futures, put in $100 into it, and so far, one sec, I got to log myself in. Give me a sec, I'll log myself in. And I'll show you the trades. So we're up pretty decent amount. Come on, buddy. Anyway, until that loads, let's talk about this. We're coming up to the end of the trading week. New York is closing in, like I said, 54 minutes now. And we're done. 3-day weekend. The main thing what I would like to talk about is a blog post that we put on our blog on primetraders.com, that in day trading you get rusty pretty much after a couple of days. You can get rusty even after one day, depending on the type of day you had. A little bit of drinking, a little bit of sleeping, and you're done. You fall into this trap of being rusty in the markets. So what I would like to do is go over these 8 points here and kind of try and help you to 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 have something to do on the weekend. You can read the rest of the stuff in the blog, but I'll pretty much go over all of these things with you guys right now. The point is that it's Christmas Eve tomorrow, and for those of you that celebrate it, Merry Christmas to you, and may you have a wonderful time with your loved ones, and I hope you have a fantastic Christmas weekend. For those of you that don't celebrate it, you have extra time to work on yourself and to become a better trader. This video is specifically designed or created for this point of giving you a couple of things that you can do this weekend. Even if you're celebrating Christmas, you can do this on, let me just put the music down a little bit. You can do this on Sunday, for example. Everyone can find an hour for self-development. And when I say self-development, I'll talk to you a little bit about actual day trading. If you guys want to, let's see if this loaded. No. Anyway, whatever. We'll find it after. If you guys want to be real traders, if you're struggling or if you're not making consistently money, you need to understand that first of all, you really got to devote time to this. It's like developing any other skill. The more you do something and the more you want to become better at it, like deliberately actually, you are going to become better. You just need to put in the hours, you need to put in the work. You really gotta give it your all, and that way, with time, you are going to succeed. Took me many years to become successful. I'm not joking. I wanted to quit so many times. And if you ask anyone who's actually succeeding these days, same thing. What didn't happen overnight. So I'm going to give you a couple of points that you can do this week, this weekend, today, tomorrow, to work on yourself and to better yourself and to become a better trader. And when Monday comes, you can get to kick some ass. Number one is, first of all, think how you can improve your patience. Improving your patience is vital in trading, and I'll explain to you why. Because patience comes down to the fact that you are as well disciplined, by the way. But when you're day trading or anything else, having the patience not to enter early or to enter late and to wait for the right confirmations will significantly improve your win ratio, not only win ratio, but the amount of money you're making, because your entry is directly connected to your stop loss and your take profit. So when you have patience and you enter valid setups, A and A plus setups correctly, your stop's going to be smaller, your profit's going to be bigger. Very simple. So this weekend, today, tomorrow, like I said, the day after, sit down and think a little bit of how could you do that for yourself. You're your best project. The best project you'll ever work on is you. That's the best project that you're never gonna work on. Number two is review the main movers. Review the main movers that we had this weekend, this month. So depending on what you're trading, if you're trading FX, check out the main movers, GBP, EuroCAD, and so forth. Check the big ones and see how did they move. What could you have done to take advantage of this? What news affected the markets? How did it affect it? How was your performance on that asset? Check the main movers so far this weekend, this month. This is pure development. It's training. It's the same thing like when a basketball player or a golfer or a tennis player or a mathematician or a chess player picks whatever they're doing and works on their craft a little bit in training, not waiting just for the big games. I'm pretty sure you don't think that Messi, Ronaldo, and all of the other football players, or LeBron James, or any other basketball or tennis or anyone else, they don't wait for their game to perform. They work their ass off in training. I'm pretty sure you all know about Usain Bolt. In a couple of seconds, that's all that he spent on the track, and he won what, like 7 gold medals, resulted in a couple of 100 million, and that was seconds. And to do that, he trained years. Same thing with trading, man. You can't expect that you're going to become a successful trader and be making money in the markets just by sitting down and trading. Work, train, review. Number three, review your rules. When it comes to your rules, you should have rules for your process, which means your entry, your exits, the way you're trading, the way you're finding trades, and so forth. So spend some time to check your process, your entry rules, your exit rules. Work on developing your watch list further. How can you find assets that are actually moving? Don't just sit and trade just gold. There are opportunities all over the market. Check your rules, review them. Number four, and this is really powerful. I don't know if you guys read it, but Ray Dalio, if you don't know who that is, Google it. Ray Dalio. Get his book as well, Principles, amazing. Check his YouTube videos as well, the animated ones, amazing. You'll learn a lot. He says that he owns his success because he meditates 40 minutes a day. If he meditates 40 minutes a day and he is a multi-billionaire and manages some of the biggest money in the world, maybe you should try that too. Specifically, try visualization. Visualize your success. Envision yourself being patient, waiting for the trades to come to you, executing those trades, working on your watch list, not letting your losses run, letting your winners run. So visualize the good stuff of trading. See how you're actually doing it. Live it within your head. Next, visualize challenges. You open the trade, it starts going against you big time. What do? A real good trader, he's going to close the trade and wait for a better signal. Visualize another challenge. You open up a trade, the trade's not moving as well, not moving at all. What do? Do you wait for it to start moving? I doubt it. What you would do is get out of the trade and wait for a better signal. So visualize these parts, the good stuff, the bad stuff, the hard stuff, everything. Number five, think how you can make one A plus trade at a time. Um, what do I mean by this? So we categorize trades down into three categories: B, A, and A plus. A plus are the best trades, the ones we go into big. Um, that's your A plus trades. Your A are okay trades, but just visualize the best type of trades. Think about how can you take that trade one trade at a time. There is a very nice video I made yesterday here, day trading Nasdaq. This one here, making over 9,000 on it. It actually was more than 10 because I continued trading, and I'll show you that later. And I just focused on that one asset, and I was waiting for those Ace Plus setups and just bam, 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 hitting them. Even though I was taking losses too, I ended up making a very significant profit. Number six, talk to experienced traders. Communication. Many successful traders out on TradingView, on Twitter. You can find them. Try to talk to them. Leave them a comment. Ask them questions. Engage with people who are doing what you want to be doing. Number seven, how can you improve the retention of profits? How are you going to keep more profits? Essentially, is what I mean. What are you going to do to keep your profits? Retain. It's convert and retain. First, you convert them. So you convert pips or points into profits, and then it's about retaining those profits. Think a little bit better, especially for those of you that have an equity curve that's like this. You go great into profit and then you give it all back. Think, why is that happening and how can you overcome that? Do this weekend. Spend time on the most important person in the world, you. And finally, number eight, work on your preparation. I spend a good hour before I start trading. A good hour checking the news, the charts. What am I going to focus on? What is my watch list today? Preparation is the key to success. Anyway, I hope this video has helped you. I'd love to share the crypto trades that. Oh, this is coin. That's why I need to go to USDM. Okay, USDM. One second, I'll show you the trades we're running on crypto. So the reason I'm testing this, I'm going full margin on these trades. The reason I'm testing it more aggressively, of course, is just to see if it works. And so far, our system works perfectly, the day trading one on crypto. Um, am I logged in? Just give me a sec. Yeah, I am. There they are. So I got some Ethereum here. I got some XLM. I got me some Shiba, which I opened recently. I got me some Matic, Solana, and XRP. Things are going good. You can see that my balance is this and my unrealized gain is this. So pretty decent equity. Very happy about this. If I close out now, I'm sitting at about 1,200, starting with 100. So I can go over the trade history and you can see that taking some losses in the beginning, the account went up and down. But so this is today. You can see all of the trades taken. You can see that the balance has grown. But anyway, that's irrelevant. That's not about. It's not about this. But if you do want, check this out here for cryptos that we're buying, and you'll understand a little bit more what we're targeting. But anyway, 11 minutes is enough. Thank you so much. If you celebrate Christmas, Merry Christmas, and I'll see you probably tomorrow. I'm going to be working. Bye bye now.